Hey guys, welcome to Auntie Tay's channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can add bling to your jean jackets. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. Now this jean jacket has been with me a long time. I've had it since 2014 when I got it with my mom at a little boutique in northern Michigan, and then I took it with me to my study abroad to Europe, and I have some really sentimental pictures of me in this jacket in front of the Eiffel Tower and different other iconic buildings when I got to go to Europe. But it's always been a staple in my wardrobe of like anytime I go out in the summer and I throw on this jacket. When 2020 came, I really wanted a jean jacket for my wedding and I just couldn't find one that I liked. So I decided to add glitter HTV in lace details that matched my dress to this jacket. So when I got married, I have pictures in this jacket that are super sentimental to me. Now, it's been a year and a half since I got married and I still love this jacket. But what better way to give it yet another life than to DIY it again? So let's go and check out how easy it is to add just a little bit of bling to your favorite jean jacket too. So all you're gonna need is an Auntie Tay bling tool, some Auntie Tay bling, and then I like to use Jewel It from Aleene's for blinging fabric, and of course your jean jacket. That's all you need, guys. That's it. You can get Jewel It at most craft stores. I got it from Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and I've used it on a couple shirts that I've blinged, and it lasts forever. According to the instructions, all you do is you put a little bit of glue, but enough that when you push the bling down, it will go around the outer edge of it, and you dab it on and wait 10 minutes for it to kind of get a little tacky, and it helps, I don't know, bond the bling to the fabric. And it works because I have a t-shirt that has bling on it that I have washed a gazillion times. I mean, not a gazillion times. It's probably like 30, 40. I don't know. It's been a lot and the bling hasn't come off. So I love it. And all I did was put a couple dabs in between my HTV. Then using the bling tool, I just picked up the bling, which I am using Ice Queen, which this is when it was a mega mix and had a bunch of the little stones, but that's the color I'm using. Honestly, any of the whites are absolutely gorgeous to use and would be awesome if you're trying to do a similar look. And you just place the bling on the jacket. Because it's a mix, I tried not to have the same color stone right next to each other. That's just what I try to do so it doesn't look like there's a blotch of the same ones. Here is a little closer view on me putting the bling on. Then I undid the little pocket part and started putting glue on the outer edge, because originally I just wanted the outer edge and then I got bling obsessed and added more and more. So I waited 10 minutes for the glue to get tacky, and then I got my bling and started blinging again. That's seriously all you do. It's the simplest project ever, and per the bottle's instructions, you just let it dry for 24 hours before wearing and then wait 7 to 10 days before washing. It's that simple. One of the things you can do if you're a little impatient is I applied the glue to one side in a small dose, not too much, and then worked on the other side while it dried. But that's how it went. I added a ton to the pockets, a little bit up top where I had my HTV, and I added a little bit onto the HTV, and then on the back I added more onto the HTV and in between, and then the little cute tabbies at the bottom, I don't know what they're called, but I blinged those out too, so it kind of was the opposite of the front but the same. So that's it. Hope you guys loved it.